Hi everyone. I got 3 questions recently in a webinar with accounting teachers, and I will show them here. And basically they're asking me how I was able to show my face within the slides during the presentation. So I'm going to tell you that in a minute. So today I'm going to tell you how it's possible to have a speaker view within the slides. Actually in Zoom that is possible, and the default is that it is in the top right hand side of the slides. And you can actually make it bigger, but at the same time you cannot remove the background. And what happens with Ecamm Live is that with the green screen and making the background transparent, then it seems like you are really just in front of your slides. So I will show you through this tutorial. Ecamm Live is a live stream app for Mac. Go to Launchpad and click on Ecamm. So here you see all windows opening up. It's like I have a broadcast studio where I can determine which show or scene should appear on screen. You see that in my main preview window, I have this green screen at my back. So I click the green screen in the Camera FX window, and what appears at my back is my default virtual background that I have already determined, which is my brick wall. I can change that to any other images provided by Ecamm Live. For the moment, let's keep using this brick one. Now from my Finder window, I drag my presentation, and that is a PDF version of my keynote. And you will see that my source now is the share screen, which is in the middle. Then I drag myself to the right side. This is called the picture-in-picture, and I can make my image bigger. And I can change my screen into the classic 4x3 dimension, or a square, or a round. Say I want to stick to a round image, I click the transparent PIP or picture-in-picture in the Camera FX, and boom, my brick wall disappeared. And I really prefer the classic screen, so I change that and I position myself. From the Ecamm YouTube channel, I learned to make sure that all the text are at the left side so I can keep myself at the right side of the screen. With this size, I cover the slide changer on screen, so I just make use of the right arrow in my keyboard. And another thing you could do is to edit the picture settings in terms of brightness or temperature and all of this that you see on screen until you're happy with how you look. You can also make your preview window bigger to make your picture edits more accurate if you can see yourself better. And then you can get on with your webinar. So I hope you learned from that, and if you like to try Ecamm Live, then you can find the link in the description below. And I recommend that you watch my DIY green screen video and my other videos here that is best for you. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. See you in the next one.